If you're experiencing server timeout issues in FIFA 24, adjusting your settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to increase the server timeout. Step 1. Access game settings. Open FIFA 24 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings option, usually found in the lower part of the screen. Step 2. Select network settings. In the settings menu, look for the network settings option. This section will allow you to adjust various online connectivity features. Step 3. Adjust timeout settings. Within the network settings, find the timeout settings option. Increase the timeout duration to a higher value, which can help prevent disconnections during gameplay. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save option or prompt to ensure the new settings are applied. Step 5. Restart the game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This will ensure that all changes take effect and could help improve your connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to increase the server timeout in FIFA 24, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your game.